Hi lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you Ghana Angwamo and red pepper sauce, Tooloo beefy rice or braised rice. It's such a delicious meal with few ingredients. You are good to go. So without wasting my time, let's get started. But before that, kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's begin. So to start with, I've heated my pot very nicely. So that I'll go in with some cooking oil, let it heat up a little bit, and I'll go in with some salted beef. I'll stir fry for a while because I really want the taste in the beef to get into the oil as well, okay? And I'll soon bring you a recipe on how you can make your homemade Tooloo beef, okay? So now after about 1 to 2 minutes, the beef has changed into brown color, a little bit indicating that our Tooloo beef has done its work. So now let's go ahead and add in our chopped onions and some scallions. I will also fry the onions for about 1 to 2 minutes and I will proceed to the next stage. And trust me, with the help of the scallions, your Tooloo beef Angwamo is going to taste super delicious. Trust me on this one, okay? So now let's fry the onions also until it releases its flavors to the oil a little bit. Alright, so after about 1 to 2 minutes, it's looking all ready. So next I'll go in with my perfumed rice. You can use any perfumed rice or any local rice of your choice, okay? After that, I'll stir everything beautifully and I'll allow the rice to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low medium heat. This will ensure that the flavors of the Tooloo beef and the onions will get into the rice as well, okay? Alright, so after frying the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes, it's looking all perfect and a little bit crispy. So this indicates that your rice really fried very well, okay? After that, I'll go in with my water. The water you add to your rice depends on how you want the rice, and trust me, if you really want to enjoy your Tooloo beef Angwamo, then no need adding in more water because you wouldn't love the outcome, okay? So I went in with some salt to taste. The salt is always to your taste as well. Stir gently, cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after extra 20 minutes of cooking it, it's looking all perfect, but I still have some water in it, so I will cover the rice with some aluminium foil. If you have clean napkin, you can also use it to cover your rice as well, okay? So now let's cover it and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes on a low medium heat. Whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and grind up red pepper sauce. So I'll be using my asanka to grind my pepper sauce. You can also use blender if that is what you have, okay? Next, I'll go in with some chopped red onions and I'll crush it or grind it until it becomes a little bit smooth. After that, I'll go in with my pepper, and for the pepper, I'll be using pakoshito and red pepper. And I'll also go in with some thumb size garlic and ginger for extra flavor. You can omit it if you don't want the taste of fresh garlic and ginger in your pepper sauce, okay? Grind until it is very smooth. After that, you can go in with some fresh tomatoes to reduce the heat a little bit or the hotness a little bit, okay? Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste, and the salt is always to your taste. I'll grind everything together, and after it becomes a little bit smooth, I'll set it aside. So whilst our pepper sauce is also ready, I'll check for my rice, and at this point the aroma was everywhere. It was smelling super good, And the rice also came out so good, as you can see. The Tooloo beef and the onions inside was doing the magic, okay? And when you see that brownish thing under your rice, Charlie, don't go there, okay? So this rice is one of Ghanaians' favorite Saturday morning food because it's very, very easy to put together and very, very delicious as well. And what is Angwamo without some fried eggs? So I have with me here some 2 eggs. I'll add in some onions, scallions, fresh tomatoes, and some salt to taste. I'll mix it a little bit and I'll fry until it is ready. And I didn't enjoy this Angwamo only with these fried eggs. I also enjoyed it with some fried plantain. And if you haven't tried adding in some fried plantain to your braised rice, you are missing out a whole lot of goodness. Kindly try it and thank me later. So I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt to the plantain as well, and I'll fry until it is nice and golden brown. So after getting the perfect golden brown plantains just like this, it is all done. So all that is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this braised rice or Angwamo or Tooloo beef rice recipe. It came out so good, very appetizing, and for the taste it was just amazing. Try this recipe and thank me later. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And if you watch to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.